show you how to make a single dough ball for the Unifira, because we don't always want to make 4 or 5 pizzas. We just want to make one. So I'll put the recipe in this down below in the video on the measurements that you use, and I'll get inside. We'll show you how to do that right now. All right, let's go. Okay, so here's how you make a super easy single dough ball to make a pizza in your Unifira. Just takes a cup and a half of flour, and you know, I'm just using all purpose. And then I'm going to use some active dry yeast. I'm going to use a 1/2 and a 1/4 teaspoon, so 3/4 teaspoon of yeast. And I will speed all of this up, but so we just get our yeast in there, and a cup of water, teaspoon, 3/4 teaspoon of honey, 3/4 teaspoon of oil, and then I'm just going to mix it up here. I probably should have used something else than this, but anyway, just kind of push it together and let it rest for like 5 to 10 minutes once you get it all up. So I'll just put a towel over it and let it rest. And then after 5 minutes, 5 to 10, I think I went 8, you're going to knead the dough for 5 to 10 minutes. So we won't make you watch the whole 5 to 10 minutes. So here we go in speeded up motion. You just want to knead it, work it. It gets nice and smooth. And of course, we're going to form it into a little bit of a ball. Put a little bit of olive oil in my bowl. Put it inside. I'm going to cover it with the towel, and I'm just placing it in my oven with the oven light on, and that'll keep it warm enough to rise. And after a couple hours, actually I went 1.5 hours, that's my dough ball right there. I need to get some oil. So I'm going to take this out, and then I'm going to form it another dough ball, a smaller one. Just kind of tuck it all in and roll it. And once you do that, you're going to add more oil to the bowl, and you're going to get the whole dough ball covered with oil. We're going to cover it up and let it rise for another 1.5 hours, 2 hours. Just stick it in the oven because it's too cold in my house. So just put it in the oven to rise. And it's just that simple. And then before we make our pizza, we're going to get our toppings going. I'm doing green chili, onions, mozzarella cheese, some hamburger, some Newman's Own marinara sauce for the pizza sauce, and some 4 blend cheese, Mexican cheese. There's my dough ball. Take it out and just start forming it. I used to do this when I was 16, so what's that, 13 years ago, 13 years ago? No, when I was 16, I worked for a pizza place, so it's been a while since I've tossed one up in the air, but you just kind of pat them out, stretch them a little bit, and then you take your hands, and I flip them back and forth. But you don't have to do that. You can just flatten it out. Kind of make a nice circle, and you want to get it out to about 12 inches because that's what the Unifira will take. You just flip it back and forth. If you get any holes in the dough, just pinch them closed. It's not that big of a deal. Just like that. Got a couple holes. Try to get it as round as I can. I don't want a square pizza. But it's okay. Square's fine. So, just to show you guys, I did make it just over 12 inches. Now, before I put the toppings on, I'm going to go outside to the Unifira. I've had the Unifira going for about, I don't know, 15 minutes or so. Heating up. Let's see what we got. 750 and around 700. Okay, so we can go ahead and get our pizza toppings and everything on. You want to kind of just put all that on right before you put it in, so that way it doesn't stick on your peel. Of course, I'm going to put a tiny bit of cornmeal on there to help it slide off. So, all right, let's go get that pizza made. Okay, so I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cornmeal on here, just so it slides off a little easier. I got a little bit thick there, so anyway. And you just put your dough on there. pinch any holes together. Like I said, the holes, they're not critical. And then I'm gonna get my pizza sauce. And I'm just gonna dump a little bit on here. Just eyeball it, however much sauce you want. Just get it on there, and then I take a spoon and just kind of spread it out. It's the easiest way that I know of to put it on here. Not putting a whole lot of sauce on this one. This is gonna be a green chili cheeseburger pizza. You know, you can use, you don't have to use green chili. You can use pickled jalapenos if you want, or any other toppings that you like. I'm just making a pizza after making the dough ball. This is all done within like, what, 4 hours? So, just gonna add my mozzarella cheese on here that I just shredded. Make sure that it slides when you got it on there. Slides down, it should slide right off when you take it out to the Unifira. So, get the cheese, I like cheese. And then I'm gonna add my hamburger. No, a hamburger. Just gonna put the green chili, but let's put the hamburger on first. We cooked this the other night. We had some burritos. We like making burritos with hamburger meat, so we had some leftover hamburger, so we just thought, hey, let's just put this on a pizza. It'll work out great. Put as much as you want, as little as you want. This hamburger, like I said, it is pre-cooked, so you don't have to worry about it cooking when you put it into your pizza oven. Just a little bit more. Then I'm gonna get my green chilies all spread out. We used to get these over at Pizza Hut. They're called the green chili cheeseburger pizza, and this is what they put on it. However, they didn't put onions, but I like putting onions on my pizza. So you just spread it out. Get your toppings, whatever toppings you want. And I think that's it. Oh no, wait a minute. I gotta get my Mexican 4 cheese blend cheese on here. I think Pizza Hut just used shredded cheddar. You got to have the yellow cheese on there too for the cheeseburger part. So I had to open up a new bag. So I'm gonna get lots on there. Gotta have lots of cheese, right? All right, let's get this thing out to the uni. Here's our pizza. Yeah. Okay, got 25. Now I'm not going to make you sit and count to 25 because we're going to do this 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times, whatever. I'm going 25 seconds each turn because I don't want to burn my pizza. And then once I get all 4 turned, we'll look at the pizza, and then I'll probably go about 10 or 15 seconds on each turn again, just so that we get it done. Okay, so here's the finished pizza. Doesn't that look delicious? Man, now I'm gonna show you underneath here. Looks like it's doing really good. Let me get the camera down here so you can see it. Okay. Lift it up for you. Look at that bottom. It's all nicely done right there. Okay, let's take this inside and cut this up. Okay, here we go. We're just gonna cut it into 8 pieces, 6 pieces. Yeah, let's cut this in half. We'll have some nice, good sized pizza. And there's my green chili cheeseburger pizza. Look at the nice toppings. The underside looks great. So that's how you make a single dough ball to make one pizza on the Unifira. We made the green chili cheeseburger. You don't have to use green chilies. You can put pickled jalapenos or whatever you want, any pizza you want, but that's the one we did for this dough test. Bottom came out good. Look at that. Not bad at all. Yep. That is one good pizza. Okay, so it's cold out here. I don't have my jacket on, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, ring that bell, and we'll see you on the next video.